Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Tina. I'm really happy to be here tonight with you to witness the launch of our new product, the Unicorn 100, an ultralight waterproof laser projector. Light brings color. Innovation breaks every limit. Tonight, we gather for laser, and we are excited about the real engineering behind it. Let me take you through Lightspace's new work, the Unicorn 100, and show you just how capable it is. First, a new word about Lightspace. Lightspace was founded in 2007, 18 years focused on one thing, professional laser systems and laser your work. People ask, is it worth staying on one track for 18 years? My answer is yes. Leadership comes from doing one thing extremely well, not from being everywhere. 18 years pursuing light and dreams, from tracing industry leaders to surpassing them. We turned down countless cross-industry temptation and poured our core resource drain into research and development. As a result, earlier on we made our core technology 100% in-house and secured over 100 patents, covering professional lasers across the full 3 watt to 240 watt range. Every product carries the mark of technology first. On the manufacturing side, we run a 5,000 square meter smart factory equipped with 30 import CMC machines, giving us an annual capacity of 5,000 units. Our factory allows ISO and a rigorous 80-step quality inspection process, keeping products failure rates below 0.05%. High standards that ensure every unit is stable and reliable. This full train smart manufacturing model is exactly what gives us a distinct quality edge in fierce global competition. Today, we have an outstanding team that delivers end-to-end professional service in the laser field, with 24/7 repeat response. And we've helped thousands of laser projects around the world present flawlessly. Okay, friends, we've just reviewed Lightspace 18 years. But a real leader does more than hold the line. A real leader breaks the ceiling of what the user expects. Now, the most exciting part, mean the Unicorn 100, a laser that puts excellence into every detail. What are its core strengths? First, 5 spots and consistent color. Many ask, how special are a 5-spot and color consistency? To us, they are the soul of a laser and the soul of our ultralight 100 watt waterproof laser projectors is this formula. 5-spot plus color consistency equal an experience that exceeds expectations. Why is that? For live events, the worst thing is a laser that looks fuzzy at distance. But Unicorn 100, spot size under 10 mm, full angle divergence less than 1.2 mert. It means shade points at long range, no washout halos. Tighter divergence concentrates energy, so it looks notably brighter than ordinary lasers at the same rate powered. At the same time, the color consistency of these ultralight waterproof laser projectors is built for ultimate performance. Visually extremely sharp, to project graphics, text, and light show really low egg rule. Whether it's a brand logo on stage or a character series in a cultural tourism project, one glance tells you it's refined and high-end. In the details, precise, with no deviation, even tidy texture inside compact patterns, or the smallest stroke in text are read products accurately and completely. In color consistency, stable and rich, with a well-balanced RGB ratio, our system can project a much wider color range. theoretically up to 16.77 million mainstream colors, delivering exactly color accuracy and meeting the full range of laser show effects. Now, let's take a look at the indoor projection results. Color consistency is exceptional. Every detail is rendered perfectly. 5 sports has color consistency. This is the eighth advantage of our ultralight waterproof laser projector. The laser projector has plenty of products that can shine, but it lacks products that make the details truly excellent. When we talk about fine sports and color consistency, we are not talking about lab space on paper. We mean a real jaw-dropping experience. The kind that makes user go, wow, is what makes your laser art hit harder. This is Lightspace trump card, honed by engineering. This is what we mean when we say, let Lightspace lasers light up your world. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we just talked about the Unicorn 100 speed. How you solve the problem of keeping visuals perfect even a long flow. But that alone is not enough. We are now starting a revolution in scalar. Its scanner speed reached 26 kbps. What does 26 kbps mean? 26 kbps is enough to redefine the results setting for laser shows. Why do many past shows feel underpowered? In compact seats, patterns either flicker or deform. But to Unicorn 100, whether it's fast, strobing lights on an outdoor EDM festival or frozen lights animation at an indoor stage, the result means stable and rather sharp. Because everyone knows, the higher the scanner speed, the better the result. High speed lets the laser keep up with creatively, no matter how fast the tempo or how compact the motion. It can be rendered precisely. Typically, the Unicorn 100 features an innovative dual-head dual driver architecture. Simply put, two scanners work together, each controlled by their own drive board to keep perfect timing. This let us render more compact, more detailed graphics and animations, even when switching compact patterns repeatedly. The output stays stable. Viewers can watch longer without eye fatigue and will be moved by the details, not distracted by artifacts. We just finished talking about the Unicorn 100's dynamic saw, the 26 kbps scanner that make laser shows move smoothly and keep starting. But have you ever asked, what if it gets rainy, dusty, or bugged by sun? What if the gear can't take it? Many of you have the same worry in outdoor projects. You buy a laser and then have to add protective covers. Rush to throw types when it rains. Worry about freezing damage or sun damage. It's a headache. It adds cost, and sudden weather can even delay the whole project. Today, the Unicorn 100 is built to solve that outdoor problem. It comes with IP66 protection, real or radar reliability, so you can use it in compact environments without worry. IP66 is not a cool number. It's the confidence of not having to be afraid. So, what does IP66 actually mean? Remember this, it can withstand most of the outdoor mixed environments, whether it's rain at a scene sites, dust storms, intense sun, or low temperatures, it holds up. A few months ago, a UK customer told us his story. He bought dozens of units from another supplier, and when it rained, they failed. Every year he had to repeat repairs because of the environment, and he was frustrated. After switching to IP66 rate device, those problems largely disappeared, and he's much happier now. The Unicorn 100 IP66 protection is like putting an all-around protective chip on the units. I know many buyers worry about extra costs. You buy a laser, then assign staff to babysit the radar. The Unicorn 100 dust-proof, waterproof, sun-consistent, and freeze capable. You no longer need to live by the radar forecast to schedule a show. That's what we mean by all radar reliability. Let's look at exactly which harsh conditions the Unicorn 100 can handle. In dusty conditions, dust cannot get inside the unit. No drumming, no performance loss. In rain, you don't worry about water entering the units. Whether it's sudden downpour at an open air show or immersive water screen environments, the output stays stable all day long. Under harsh sun, the housing room deformed and the internal components room age completely. Long-term use remains stable. In winter temperatures well below zero, low temps room start the unit. It starts and operates normally. So the Unicorn 100 directions is clear. It fits multiple scenarios, significantly cuts maintenance costs, and stand up to a wide range of environments challenges. Friends, we just talked about how the ultralight 100-watt waterproof laser projector can withstand the storms and heavy rain, solving the outdoor durability and compact scenarios headache. But for project professional, there's another pain point stuck in the back of your mind. The laser is too heavy. Yes, it's an ultralight 100-watt waterproof laser projector. We keep the weight down to 40 kilograms, light enough for one person to install. So you can show up, lights, and double your efficiency. Now, let's talk about the story behind that weight. In the past, 100-watt lasers typically weigh to 15 to 16 kilograms. That means 2.3 people living during installation. Fast moving tools, big packaging, high shipping costs. Later, when you need to reposition or maintain, you need several people again. Just moving the equipment adds up time and money. With the ultralight 100-watt waterproof laser projector, one person can lift it with one hand on site. You unpack it, move it into place yourself. Hold up the cables, and it's ready to go. It's a laser that installer can easily carry and lift without string. It truly saves efforts across the whole workflow. From install to transport to upkeep, every step saves money and energy. First, easier installation. Labor costs cut sharply. What used to require 2.3 people can now be done by just one, cutting labor costs by more than half. Second, smarter transports. Shipping costs cut by over 30% at 40 kilograms. Transport is easier and cheaper. Third, simpler maintenance. Effortless to complete. When it's time for maintenance or relocation, you don't need big living tools or extra hands. Maintenance efficiency at least doubles. After years of making lasers, we've learned this. True innovations is thinking for the user. The user hates weight, hates hassle, hates expense, so we reduce the weights, simplify the process, and cut the costs. We just talked about how the ultralight 100-watt waterproof laser projectors 40 kilogram weight off the pain of heavy gears and hard installations, making it easier for you to set up on site. But after installation, and even more critical questions arise. Is the laser bright enough? Can every spectator see clear and enjoy the shows? Can it elevate the stage at itself? Many friends who do outdoor performance have felt these regrets. Using low-power lasers works okay in small venues. But once you get to large plaza or long throw projection, the brightness just can't keep up. Today, the high power capacity of the Lightspace ultralight 100-watt waterproof laser projector is here to show that brightness inside it. With real engineering muscle, delivering brightness that outshines the star and wow every witness at once. The value of high or brightness isn't just a big brighter. It's a qualitative leap from visible to truly breathtaking, making every show unforgettable for every audience member, lighting up the moment brighter than starlight. You can see this in our outdoor photos, taken with a film at 1,500 meters. The 100 watts unit is brighter than and clearer than 60 watts. But what's enough? Let's look at the projection from 500 meters away. In our outdoor test at 500 meters, the patterns remain clear and bright, suitable for any outdoor performance. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the high power of our ultralight 100-watt waterproof laser projectors isn't about bigger numbers. It's about giving your creativity freedom from limitations. If you want to put on a stunning show in a large plaza, you won't have to shrink the scope because of efficient brightness. If you want long-distance laser at projections, you don't have to compromise the effect because of inadequate power. From a beam that's clear in love, to a scanner that moves beautifully, from IP66 that runs reliably, and 40 kilograms that moves easily. The high power that shines spectacularly. Every advantage of the ultralight 100-watt waterproof laser projector answer the same questions. How do we make every performance without compromise and beyond expectations? How do we help lasers around the world save money and rightly less? This Lightspace original mission, laser your world, is also our interpretation of what a truly professional laser equipment manufacturers should be. Not just a company that builds leading products, but a partner that helps users turn creativity into breathtaking reality. Friends, time flies. Today we have presented this ultralight 100-watt waterproof laser projector from user pain points completely and clearly before you. None of this would be possible without the support of every one of you. So at the end, I want to say sincerely, thank you. In the future, whether it's technological breakthroughs, product upgrades, or project implementations, Lightspace will continue to move forward steadily. Let's work together to write more stories that shine the world in more cities and more corners. Thank you again, everyone. The launch is now concluded. We're looking forward to seeing you next time.